Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing variables. Use the to clean old drivers, then install the latest stable GPU driver. This resolves many frame pacing bugs. Next, set Windows Power Plan to high performance and change the GPU profile to maximum performance so clocks don't fluctuate. Check physicals. Reset the PCIe power cable, confirm your monitor runs at the correct refresh rate, and watch temperature readings. Thermal throttling often disguises itself as stutter. Once done with drivers and power, reduce software contention. Close overlays, streaming apps, and unnecessary background tasks. Those cause CPU or disk hitches that look like GPU stutter. In-game, either cap FPS slightly below your monitor or enable adaptive sync. This smooths frame delivery. Lower heavy settings like shadows or texture streaming if RAM is saturated. Finally, test with a consistent benchmark or a repeatable scene so you can see whether changes reduced frame time spikes. To finish, if stutter remains, roll back to a previous stable driver or reinstall again after the clean. Driver regressions happen. Run a synthetic benchmark followed by a real gameplay loop to compare frame time graphs. If problems persist, test the GPU in another PC or swap PSU cables to rule out power instability. Key troubleshooting tip. If stutter appears only in one game, verify game files and disable engine-specific async options. If stutter is system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.